Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. It is January 2nd. It is the second day of 2021, the year that so many people have been looking forward to, saying that this was going to be a different kind of year for you. I have not been one to look forward to a completely new year to make a difference in my life, but I've always looked forward to a new day because I know that God's mercies are new every morning. But I understand the difference this year and why there are even more people that were looking forward to 2021, because it has been a year like no other for so many. Though I have not experienced a lot of the devastation that a lot of people have in their lives this year, I have had some sadness, some challenges, but a lot of victories in my life this year. And I'm sure if we take a look and listen, and when I say listen, I mean really think about it, that there have been some good things that you could profess from 2020 as well. And today is not a day of reflection for me. I just wanted to come and say Happy New Year personally to all of my subscribers and those that watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. There are many that have received your 1,000 mark, counting the number of your subscribers. And I want to say congratulations to you. Congratulations, Carolina girl in a Florida world. And there are also others that can celebrate your 1,000 mark. As I styled my hair this morning, I was thinking I was going to do something new. And though this may not be what I do, I really put these plaits in my hair for a braid out. But I might do a half up, half down, some sort of way. If you notice what I'm doing now, I'm tucking these braids in, even though I've taken most of them out in the back. I really don't have that much to say today, but I just wanted to wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. I pray God's blessing upon all of you. Let me see if I can show you what I'm doing up here. I'm just going to tie it and tuck it under, and hopefully it will stay. And I'm going to take these last 3 out in the back. Also, after I style my hair, you'll see a few of the highlights from a holiday as well. We took a ride under, I think it's under Louisville, Kentucky. And it was called The Lights Under Louisville. The Lights Under Louisville. As we head further into this new year, I hope that you will continue to let me be a part of your life. Watch my videos and listen to my messages. As I said, lights under Louisville, it gave me a thought that there is some sort of light. There is a light that we can shine into the life of others who are not feeling so bright and cheerful, who may be discouraged. To let your life be a light to someone. Do not hide it under a bushel, but bring your light forward so that someone else can see it, that they may be encouraged and uplifted. I believe that that is one of our purposes, is to reach out to others, and not only reach out, but be a light. Just be a light. Encourage others. Sometimes just your walk and what others see in you will make a difference in the life of someone else. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to turn around so you can see what this hairstyle looks like. Notice I didn't use any pins. I didn't even use my trusty goodie clip. Although I had it right here handy just in case. Have a great day. Have a wonderful day.
Prima, eat your chicken.
Wonder Woman?
Over here?
Might be Wonder Woman.
Over here?
And then that's Batman.
Supposed to be Santa Claus. You know, Santa Claus doesn't exist.
Somebody going into a chimney.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Mommy still has to keep you safe.
The cave wall?
This is
the wall for the cave.
Dog.
What?
This is a vegan hot dog sign up there.
Where?
Sign right here.
It sure does say that.
Oh, because the animals.
This is a drive-through Christmas light, so you just drive through to see the lights.
I appreciate your commentary on the little videos.
Where are those?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Mount Rushmore, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want to go out.
And the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Wow, pumpkin.
That's Snoopy and Charlie Brown.
Yep. That's Snoopy and Charlie Brown and the Peanuts.
Peanut Gang.
Uh-oh.
Dog?
More.
I think that's Linus right there. I see that rainbow star. And then these are, and they're singing the song too.
The 12 Days of Christmas.
Pictures for a song, buddy.
No.
Oh, I think they're ornaments. Really, really, really big ornaments.
A bell, the Liberty Bell. Is that supposed to be?
I see it. Look at that.
Yep, that's the...
And this is just one side.
Because
We got a little elf over there with swinging legs.
Here you go, bud.
Is that a Hummer back there?
He sure is.
Mm-hmm.
Skywalker. Is that Leia?
Yep, that's Leia with the twist in the hair.
Yeah.
R2D2 and C3PO and
C3PO.
That's what I say.
C2PO, CP3O, CP3.
What's his name? Wookie.
not Wookie. What's his
You
name?
know what I mean?
I don't know.
Chewbacca. Chewie.
Wookie. And here is
An elephant.
what's the
Horton Hears a Who?
The minions right there.
Oh.
What's this? What's the name of the movie?
Minion.